Now, it's time to go find some members for my team. Hello. Hello. Wait, do you guys want to join my team, the Angry Birds? I don't know. Sure, I guess. Okay, you're in. Yay! Now, you guys need to start training. We're up for it. It's this way, come on. We're here. Alright, if you guys want to become official Angry Birds, you have to destroy this tower. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah! Oops, the cameraman just destroyed it. We're gonna have to rebuild it. Oh, and you have to destroy that pig. Dummy. Will do. Done. Tomorrow we'll find a new Angry Bird for the team. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment, or else you will get hit with a box.